Hey everyone, so this is my day 7 after my recent chemical peel and at home microneedling. And in this video, I will do my another session of at home microneedling using this tool Banisher 2.0. But first, I will exfoliate my skin or my face with Banish pumpkin enzyme mask. Alright, so I will just use a brush to apply the product all over my face. I really love exfoliating my skin first before doing my microneedling procedure because it makes my skin smooth and soft, which I think it makes the needles to penetrate more in my skin. But this is optional. This may not work for everyone because if you have sensitive skin, I think it's better to exfoliate your skin first 1 week before the procedure or 2 to 3 days before the procedure. Alright, so after applying the product all over my face, I will just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with water. Alright, so this is how my skin look after washing my face, and I will now start with my microneedling procedure. So of course, before using the microneedling tool or the Banisher 2.0, I already disinfected it for 5 minutes with an isopropyl alcohol 70% solution, and then let it air dry for 2 minutes before using it. Alright, so what I'm doing is just pressing the tool on my skin and then lift it up and then rotate 90 degrees and then press it again on my skin, and then I'm just repeating it 5 times on each area. And please remember, don't overdo it, so you may just press the tool 3 to 5 times on your skin and do not use it on your active acne or pimples. And you may repeat the procedure at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. It really depends on your preference and your skin type. And if you want to also try this product, you may visit the website www.banish.com/mars and you may get $5 off for orders $50 above. Yeah, so I will also include these details on the description box of this video for you to just click the link. Alright, so I will just finish the rest of my face and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so here I am done with the procedure and this is how my skin or face look. So it's time for me for my aftercare product. So first, I will use the Banish serum. So this is a vitamin C and E. Alright, and then after applying the Banish serum, next is the Banish Fighter Gel. Alright, so I really love using the Banish Fighter Gel after the procedure because it suits my skin and it's lessen the redness and the skin irritation. Alright, and then next is the Banish Vitamin C Cream. Alright, so this is a daily brightening moisturizer. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Follow me and subscribe to my channel and watch out for my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!